Hello guys. Hello guys. Where are you going?
Let's go.
Where are you going? You're going to the airport?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, it's so bouncy.
Yes. So it's so bouncy. What did you say, Mila? Bouncy? It's so bouncy daw. It's so bouncy. And Ate and Rain. Yan, ihatid namin si Tita Rain ni Baby sa airport.
Sabi ni Tang
Teacher. Kasi naka-eyeglasses.
Naka-eyeglasses. Katulad kay Teacher Mars.
Bakit yung isang teacher hindi?
Teacher Evelyn yun, ang principal. Wala pang eyeglasses.
Hatid natin si Tita Rain sa airport.
Hi, bus.
Hi, bus. Another one daw. Another one?
Oh no. What happened?
What's happened? It's wet. It's wet because it's raining.
Oh no. The buses go. Oh no.
Buses go.
Buses go.
Because it's green.
Oh no. Buses
And another.
Oh no.
So fast.
Bus. 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 Bus.
Babalik na ng Canada si Tita Rain.
Bus.
See you ilang years? See you in 2 years. After 2 years.
Matagal daw yung 5. Bus.
2 years natin rin balik mo.
Bus.
See you after 2 years.
2 years na ito. 8 years.
See you after 2 years. 5 years old na yun si Nathan.
Ano na yan? Grade 1, kinder 1 pa lang siguro.
Kinder pa lang. Kinder 2?
Grade 2.
K2 pa lang si Nathan na ayun, nursery eh.
Scooter.
K1, K2.
Di ano yan, di ba? Kuryente. Oo. Sina-charge pa yun. Chargeable. Hindi pag nalumat wala. Pero yun din yung gasolina kaso may yan o. Kahit dyan o. Oo, lalagyan mo ng pan.
It's raining Sunday.
Sana yung susi natin sa'yo, no?
Ate.
Tayo makapasok.
Ano yan? Pag-code.
Okay, yan muna guys. Mamaya ulit. Ayan, uwi na. Ay, you hug tata. 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 No, you can't get inside. Nathan? You hug tata. You hug tata. You hug Tata Rain. Tita Rain, hug Tita Rain. Hug Tita Rain, me love. No, you don't have. Hey, you don't have a ticket.
Say bye-bye!
Say bye-bye to Tita Rain.
Bye-bye! Take care!
Bye-bye, Rain. Ingat ha. Chat na lang tayo. See you in 2 years. Bye-bye. Ingat, Rain. Bye-bye. Say flying kiss. Flying kiss. You don't have ticket. No ticket, no entry. Bye-bye, Rain.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. Tata Rain is there already. We cannot see her na. Oh, we will go back home. Ayun na, sa 6. Hindi, Terminal 3 ito, pero sa Number 6 departure. Or ang tawag dito, gate? 6, gate 6? Terminal 3, gate 6.
Entrance 6.
Oh, entrance 6 pala. Nandun yung Cathay.
Saan yung airline? Saan ka papasok?
Yes. Ayan sa kanya kasi Cathay. Cathay Pacific. Where's Tita Rain?
There.
Where's Tita Rain? Let's go there. Here. Yay! Yay! Nathan is so happy! Nathan is going to... Where are you going, Mila? Ayan, sa Cathay si Rain. Let's go back home? Let's go back home. No? Kung dito kakain tayo, may kakainan ba tayo? Wala.
Doon tayo sa bahay, hindi na tayo.
30 minutes lang biyaya.
Oo, mabilis lang. Oh no, where's Tata Rain? Inside. No. Tata Rain is there already. Okay. Okay, yan muna guys. Ito na si Rain sa sa loob na. So, hanggang dito na lang dito sa vlog ng paghatid namin kay Tata Rain ni Baby. Natid namin dito sa Terminal 3 Departure kasi Cathay Pacific yung niya. Yung plane niya. So, yan muna guys. Bye-bye! Ayan guys, nagsuggest yung yung guard doon na pwede kami makapasok inside the airport. Dito lang sa yan, dyan sa entrance 7 for non-passenger. Non-passenger. Oh, what happened, lo? Ano nangyari? Siguro may
Hindi, kami. Aantayin nila lang kami.
Pasok na lang.
Tikman passenger.
Nathan, where are you going? We're inside the airport na. Where's Tita Rain? Where's Tata Rain? Where? Where's Tata Rain? Ato man. Let's call Tata Rain. Let's call Tata Rain.
Ayun, nag-check-in pa.
Tata Rain!
May kausap pa. Check-in pa.
Sir Tata Rain!
Hindi na makita.
Tata Rain!
At yung cellphone mo, baka malaglag. Usap talaga yan.
There's Tata Rain. Oh, look at Tata Rain. There's Tata Rain.
There.
Tata Rain! Tata Rain! Oh, wait. Gusto ni Baby pumasok. Ano?
Here, dito.
Travel tax? Babayad ka? Sige, bye-bye!
May travel tax pa pala.
May travel tax. Baka kulang dalan.
Magbabayad pa siya ng travel tax. O, hintay tayo. Sa baba, pwede tayo bumaba, no?
Ay, ewan ko lang.
Pwede ata kasi.
May baba niya dyan.
Doon tayo kain.
Maihiyan na ako.
Oo.
May share dito eh. May fabric tayo. Baba, down.
Chinelas.
You wear your slipper. Yan. Continue ulit. Nandito kami ngayon sa airport pa. Kasi yung Nathan. Makulit, ipay. Esas. Ayun, Goldilocks. Out there. Oh. Tara, let's go there. Nathan, come on. Let's go there. Here, me love, here. Come on.
Asan siya?
Wala na ata.
Saan siya nagbayad ng tax?
Dito daw eh.
Oh.
Eh, kanina pa yun eh.
Wala ni Nathan. Yan.
Oh, you look for Tata.
Where's Tata?
Kanina pa yun.
Where's teacher Tata?
Inano na niya luggage para
Oo.
Oh, look. Kasi tax lang naman babayaran niya.
Dito kami sa taas.
Tapos na siguro yun kay...
You wear your slipper, me. Yung cutie pie. Walang chinelas. Tara. Di na siguro. Baka after nun, dumiretso na siya.
Diretso na yun kasi naka-check-in na yung bag niya.
Oo.
We're going home. Na bata.
Anda, hala, huhulihin ka kasi you don't have slipper. Nathan. Huhulihin ka, oh no.
Gusto niya malaman niya ganyan. Bakit kung kayo may tapos?
Nathan!
Here! Nathan! Here! Nathan! Wala, kanina. 29 ka na.
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na doon sa I remit tax. Oh, yung bata. Yung bata parang nasa bahay lang. Nathan. Oh no, yung bata na yan. Come on, let's eat. You wanna eat yummy spaghetti? Agido. Parang nasa bahay lang ang bata. You wear your slipper. Come on, wear your slipper. Here. Hala. Okay, dyan na muna guys. Bye-bye. Dito kami sa Jollibee.
Another. Look up.
Yan, yung favorite ni baby. Siya nag-ano dyan. Ano daw, look. Okay.
Oh, it's done.
You hold the hands of Jollibee. You hold the hands of Jollibee. And face to mommy.
Face here.
Face here. Oh, hold again. Jesus. Hold again the hand of Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Hold it. No. Come on. Let's get inside na. Ayan, yung bata. Gusto niya ng Jollibee. Look daw ko na nagpaano siya picture. Ayan. Magano tayo, light snack. Nag-snack na. Sige na. Yung burger lang. And fries na ganun.
I-order mo muna din lani kami.
Ah, sige. Yung burger fries lang. Tara, tara.